Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Art with Jayanta, and I am Jayanta Singh, and this is the reference photo. And today I will show you how to paint this with watercolor. At first I am sketching this composition by pencil, and this is a 200 GSM paper. For better watercolor you can use 300 GSM paper, but here I am using 200 GSM paper. And for any painting, any reference photo, you must keep the reference photo simple and very easy. You can say simplify the reference photo in your painting. Either you need lots of details, but for watercolor you have to choose the simplify and do it with just 2 and 3 layers. So try to abstract, and for abstract you must simplify your reference photo. I already done the outline of this. This is a temple, and the main object in this painting, the temple and the reflection of the temple on water. So I am trying to do it with watercolor, and this watercolor painting is for beginners, because I am also not an advanced watercolor artist. So maybe I am just showing my techniques for beginners. The first layer, always do first layer wet in wet and loosely paint through the colors and make a basic color of the painting. And after that I am doing shadows and detail. After that your painting will be complete, and hope it looks better. And I am trying, so beginners, keep watch my full video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. You can see more video about art, painting in my channel. So do it, and thank you for watching my video. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.